How to get an Amazon gift card with Microsoft Rewards. So I've just Google search for Microsoft Rewards. If we open up this first link right here, it will take us to this page. We want to click on Start Earning, and it will ask us to log in with our Microsoft account. So once we have logged in here, then you will be able to see the different ways of how you can earn some more Microsoft points here. And if you complete all of these, it will stack up your points. And if you want to get an Amazon gift card, then you will see here the rewards section. If you don't see it, you can just scroll up and you will see this option to redeem. So if we click on redeem, then it will take us to the shop. Again, you can see the Amazon gift card here. And if I search, if I still don't see it, I'm just going to search for Amazon. Now I am in the US, so if I click on Amazon here, it will show us how much we can get. So we can get a $5 gift card or a $10 gift card, or we can set a custom amount here. So for example, let's do $20 and it will cost us 26,000 points. So it automatically calculates it based on how much you input as the gift card amount. So for $5, it will cost us or set us back 6,500 points. So once you have this available, then you can click on here to redeem it. It won't appear as set as go. And you can use this gift card towards books, electronics, music, and more. And basically it will give you the card details and you can redeem it on Amazon.com. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.